Okay, say hello. This is the X Hexe litter. They are 4.5 weeks old. Hi, babies. We have black male. Ow, ooh, ow. Black male number 1. Ooh, you bitey, girl. Black female with the white dot on her chest. Oh, goodness. Hello. Black male number 2 with a little bit of dirty face, huh? You enjoyed your breakfast. I know. And then a black sable male. Hi, buds. Sable female, gold ears. Other sable female. And then I'm missing a girl that does not have a white dot on her chest. This one. Good job. Hey, where'd you go? Come here. Good job. Good job, mamas. All right, so we are exploring our world. As you can see, they are much more active since last week. This is the black sable male. Yes, they are growing fast. Big guys, huh? Yeah, I know. Hi, bubs. So now we're just exploring our universe. Yep. Oh, goodness. They've already, I can't speak. They've already started play fighting with each other. Yeah, get the toys. Babies, come back! Come back, come back, come back! Oh, sorry. Oh. Where is you? Come here. I know, you're exploring, and that's fine. It's just hard to take a video when... Oh, you got that toy? It's a girl. Okay. Black girl with the white patch is on the toy. The other... There's a black boy on the ball. The black sable male. Ooh. Yes, they're very open. They're already pretty bitey. That's the black sable male with that ball. Safe bet that we're gonna have plenty of drive with these puppies. Sure. Ready, babies? Follow me, follow me. Come on, babies. Hello, babies. Come here, mamas. Come on, papas. Yeah. Come on, babies. Come on, little girl. Oh, you're fine. Where are you going? Come on, babies. That's right. This is the boy. Oh, what happened, Mama? Come here, baby. Good job, babies. Oh, I know. Everybody keeps getting lost. Okay, come on, guys. Come here, baby babies. Come here, baby babies. Good job. Good follow the leader. Good job, guys. Good job. So this is us at 4.5 weeks. I know. Hello. I know. Oh, let's get that trash out of the way. We'll see you guys next week.